let's talk a little bit about your back office. Okay, so you would come over to tradera.org to log in to your member back office. Okay, so when you log in on the main page, I'm already logged in. The first thing you're going to see when you log in here is a map of where everybody on your team is located. So that's pretty cool to just see from a bird's eye view, where in the world is everybody, okay? Up here, you can see if you're active as a customer, it'll say client membership. If you're an independent business owner, it'll say IBO, and it'll also give you your rank. Okay, when you are ready to share your link, whether or not you choose to decide to build this company out or not, the company gives you 3 and free, meaning when you refer 3 people, they will give you a $150 fast start bonus. So in order to share your direct affiliate link, it is right here for you to share, okay? It gives you an overview of your current rank and what do you need to do to get to your next rank, okay? You can see what is going on with your team, how many people are in your downline, how many direct referrals you have, and what you're getting paid for the week. Now, there's something back here called the holding tank. So when you give somebody this link, okay, they're going to be placed in your holding tank. So it is your responsibility to place them on one of your 3 legs in your business, okay? Back here underneath overview, we have trade alerts. Okay, these are the trade alerts. Right now, we have a total pip count of 11,576 pips that has been caught in the market. Okay, so you can see what trades are being placed, if the trades won, if the trades lost. Now, one of the most important sections back in your back office is the education. Okay, so you'll see a few tabs called Forex, cryptocurrency, commodities, indices, stocks, and technical analysis. Okay, so they're going to be, Forex is obviously the umbrella that we're under here. Cryptocurrency, that's your Bitcoin, that's your Ethereum, your Ripple coin. You're going to be having information on how to trade this right here. You have commodities, oil, the cocoa bean, gold. We trade that on the Forex market. You have indices. This is like the S&P 500, the Dow. We trade this on the Forex market. Stocks, you guys know your stocks, the Tesla, the New York Stock Exchange, the Apple stocks, you name it, it's right here, and we're going to have that information drip to us in 2020. For right now, all you need to focus on is technical analysis, which is how to really see and understand your chart. So let's go there for a second. When you join Tradera, the first thing you want to do is focus on your education, focus on your technical analysis, okay? So when you come back here, you want to focus on support and resistance, price channels, market structure, price action, and then you can kind of skip over that. You don't need that as a beginner. Risk management, and the intraday trading strategy. That's all you need to study to get started on trading, okay? So you can come and get started on your education. In addition to that, you have the live trading sessions with Master Trader Derek Conway. These live sessions are being held Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can come back here, log in, and click this green button at the appropriate time, and you can get on the live session. You can ask questions. You can kind of take a look here from the previous live sessions to see what took place. Basically, you can ask questions about the charts, about the currencies that you're looking at. If you're completely confused, you can get your questions answered. There's no dumb questions. Derek Conway is an absolute beast. Definitely helps me, even as an intermediate trader, understand what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is very valuable back here. Market forecast. Okay, so the CEOs and the other master traders that are in the company, they take a look at certain pairs for the current week, and they give you a forecast of those pairs. So back here we have the Euro USD. Okay, they'll give you a chart markup. Let's see, we have Bitcoin, which is cryptocurrency. So they'll give you a chart markup, what to look for in the coming week when you're placing trades on any of these. They have a markup on gold. Okay, this is an index, okay, US 30, and this is a stock, Tesla. Okay, so we're trading quite a bit of different things back here, so you can come take a look if any of these currencies are what you are looking at for the current week, and you can get a forecast of what to look for, what to expect in the markets from the CEOs and the other master traders a part of the company. Rank analysis. So when you come back here, you're going to have the first rank is founder. So founder basically tells you that you require 3 people in order to get your 3 and free. Okay, and when you see a green thumb, that means that you have achieved that rank. Same as knight, noble, it tells you the requirements for each rank, and once you have a green check, you have achieved that rank. Noble, the same thing. So when it says personal referrals, active personal referrals, no matter what rank you're trying to hit in this company, you only need 3 personal referrals, okay? You only need 3 personal referrals, all right, to get to your next rank. In order to look at your network, you can look at it in 4 different ways, okay? You can look at it like this here. You can look at the downline members, and this gives you a list of who is active, who's a customer, who's an affiliate, who's expired, meaning that they have deactivated their account, so on and so forth. Um, Genealogy tree under your network, when you place, this is how you're able to place people. So this is where you will come to actually place your people who are in the holding tank, as I spoke about earlier. Settings, make sure that you come over to payment settings and that you decide if you want to get paid via PayPal or paper check. These is the payout methods that we have available right now at this time. It may be subject to change in the future, but this is what is available. So if you live in the US, you can do the paper check method, or you can decide to use a PayPal. Okay, subscription. Your client membership and your IBO membership are separate. So your client membership is $99. Your IBO membership is $15. Okay, when you join, you can decide to, sign up for your client membership and IBO the same day, or you can wait till you have your 3 and then sign up for your IBO, and you'll be paid out that $150 fast start bonus. Okay, here is your card details. You will put your card, that your payment method to pay for your subscription, and back here, by member support, there's some frequently asked questions, and there's also an email for the company support at tradera.org. They get back to you pretty quickly. So it says 24 hours. That's pretty accurate. Okay, so if you have a problem with your back office, things like logging in, anything like that, you can go ahead and send them an email. So that's pretty much the gist of getting started right here at Tradera. I'm excited to see you on the team. I'm excited to see you working, and I'm looking forward to having you on the next training. Thank you now. Bye-bye.